Hi, good day everyone. Today I'm very excited to bring you this laser projection keyboard. Alright, this keyboard can be used on smartphone, tablet PC, desktop PC, or game console. Alright, it supports Android, iOS, Windows, BlackBerry. Let's take a look at the physical item. And this is the laser projection keyboard. Alright, the power button is over here and the charging port mini USB is over here. And then let's take a look at the size. This is the Samsung charger. Alright, let's compare it. It's so portable and small. Okay, and last time this type of laser projection keyboard used to cost a lot. But right now, the price has dropped tremendously, and I bought this keyboard for only about 31 USD. Let's on it and see if it really works. Alright. Okay, I've on the laser projection keyboard with the bedroom lights on, and the keys looks quite visible here. Let's take a look at how sensitive it is. Alright, whenever I press the key, this LED light will flash and it's quite sensitive. Alright, this is the Bluetooth pairing LED. So let's take a look how it will perform using my handphone and laptop. Alright, okay, I've paired up these two. So I'll try to type something here. Hello, I'm Gadget, comma, welcome to my channel. Yep, let's see if I type correctly. Hello, I'm Gadget, welcome to my channel. Okay, it seems to be working right here. So let's use the laptop and see if it works. And one more thing, I think you can change this to a mouse pad. Just pressing here. Okay, this is keyboard, and the lights get dimmer. You'll be a mouse pad, right? As you can see, I'm moving my hand here. It become a mouse. So when you need to click on something, right, try to click on here, double click. Okay, so basically this is a mouse. Okay, I've already paired with my laptop, so let's take a look. There's nothing over here. This is the notes application. So let's try to type something. Hi, I'm Gadget, comma, thanks for watching, comma, this is the laser keyboard. Okay, let's see if I type correctly. Okay, it seems like it's pretty sensitive and quite accurate. Probably need some practice also. And the only problem is the labels, the symbols here, it's not so clear. So maybe we need to check it out. And then let's take a look at the mouse pad. So we need to press here. Okay, I'm at this NASA website. So this is the mouse. This two hand, you can scroll up and down, but you need to be really vertical, slowly. And then this is the moving mouse. Say I click here, double click, All right, it works. So basically this laser projection keyboard, it really works, but try not to block the sensor or something like this. You will not work, and it needs quite a flat surface. For example, if you put it on this this type of surface, it will not work, or those matte surface like this. It will not work. All right, and that's all for today. And last thing is that try not to adjust the size of the keyboard like this. It will not work. All right, you need to stand vertically like this. And that's all for today. So stay tuned for more budget gadget coming up next, and stay safe and healthy. Take care and bye.